are we in the frame right?
Because I'm a professional. All right, cool. You ready?
Yes.
All right. So we got an exciting, I don't know if it's an announcement, but it kind of is. We're 5 years old.
Yes. Not
Well,
we're not 5 years
We're
old.
not 5 years. We're older than that,
Yeah.
but we're not going to tell you how old. But Rustic and Main is 5 years old, and here you are in the woods of Rustic behind us. Also relatively close to the dumpster, but we won't show you that. We've actually grown so big that we try to do this film in other parts of the shop, but there were too many people going around doing things and whatnot, and so we had to come out here. But we wanted to just take a few minutes just to say how appreciative we are of you guys, and just talk a little bit about our memories of the business kind of growing over the last 5 years and that kind of stuff. What are some of like your earliest memories that you have of like Rustic in Maine?
Some of the earliest memories was you getting up at like 5 o'clock in the morning to make a ring before you went to work.
Yeah.
In our house, in our garage, and my home being infiltrated with stickies.
Yeah, so we use these little stickies. What are they called? What's the regular word for them?
3M stickers?
3M
Yeah.
sticky notes. We got that from the software world, where we use those quite a bit for all of our project management stuff. And so we still use those in the shop even today. So we should have bought stock in 3M.
Yes.
But yeah, we used to have people in the house like all hours. Like we'd be trying to like go to bed at like 9 o'clock or something, and people would be like, "Hey, I finished up a ring," and you know.
I think we had up to 9 people at a time working from our home the first 2 years of the business.
Yeah. And so we basically ended up moving out. We got some of the building that you guys have seen, and then we ended up buying a building right next door to that. That happened, what, year 2?
Year 2, we purchased our first building that was about 2,600 square feet.
Yeah.
Right? And then within a year and 2 months, we purchased the second building.
Yep. And so we've just been growing ever since then, and so much of that is obviously thanks to you guys. Some of you have been following our journey since the very beginning. Others of you are just kind of tuning in just now to kind of see what we're about. Well, we're real people. Like, we're a real company with real people. We make the rings here, by hand, and we continue to grow. I think we got about getting close to 40 people.
Yes. We've got about 12 full-time crafters who actually craft the ring from start to finish once we get it wrapped. So we've got 12 people who are working on your guys' rings at a time. So, and then a bunch of other support people.
Yeah, lots of marketing team, people who do shipping. Everything's just growing like crazy, and we could probably do a podcast or in blogs and all this other kind of stuff to talk about what that looks like, kind of starting a small business from your home. But we've just been really blessed, and some days this 5 years feels like it's gone by really quickly, and I think other days it feels like it's been this has always been.
It's the thing that the days are long and the years are short.
Yeah, there you go. The days are long and the years are short. Being a business owner is not for the faint of heart.
Nope.
But it's a tremendous blessing, and every day we get a chance to see people that we love and care about and work with, and
we wouldn't be able to do it without people who purchase the rings.
Yep.
People who love our rings, tell other people about them. They come out purchase rings with us. So without you guys, all these people wouldn't have jobs, and we wouldn't have jobs, and I wouldn't be here right now taking a video with my dog right in front of me. You can't see her,
there's
but
a dog.
she's,
She's
right there.
She kind of goes everywhere.
Yes.
So anyhow, I think that's about it. We appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much for sticking with our story, and follow along for the next 5 years. It's going to be pretty awesome.
Yes. Stay tuned for year 10. That's a long time to stay tuned, but still do it.
Still do it.